The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has adjourned the suit of the Labour Party governorship primary election in Edo State between Asemota and Olumide Akpata to 17th July for judgment. Justice James Omotosho, after taking arguments from both parties, fixed the date for judgment. Celestina Area reports.
In the suit, Mr. Asemota is praying to the court for an order directing INEC to recognize and publish his name as the duly elected governorship candidate of the Labour Party in Edo State. He says he emerged from the primaries conducted by the Labour Party under the leadership of Olumide Akpata, who at the time of the election, held on 22nd February, was the acting national chairman of the party. The plaintiff alleged that at the time of the primaries, Julius Abure was restrained by the court and Olumide Akpata was the deputy chairman who took over the affairs of the party. After both parties adopted a written address, Justice Omotosho adjourned for judgment.
We asked the court to recognize was the one conducted by Lasisi Akpata during the period that Abure was restrained as chairman of the party. And we asked the court to give effect to the fact that at the time the court restrained Abure, that there was a deputy chairman who took over the affairs of the court, of the party, which was Lasisi Akpata, by the provisions of the Constitution and recognition by the National Working Committee of Labour and the National Executive Committee. We argued that insofar as Akpata's primaries, which produced him, was done during the pendency of that injunction, that it could not be known to law. And to that extent, there's only one primary that was conducted, and we asked that the court should direct INEC to publish the name of Asemota as candidate of the Labour Party for the 2024 governorship elections in Edo State.
The plaintiff also alleged that the primary election which produced Mr. Akpata was done during the pendency of the injunctive order. As a result, that primary is unknown to law. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
But while the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos will have the ruling of bail application of Chizorom Ofuegbo, a Nigerian blogger popularly known as Ijele Speaks, who was earlier remanded for alleged cyberbullying, cyberstalking and defamation of evangelist Ebuka Obi, the spiritual director of Zion Movement Outreach Ministry. Counsel to the defendant, Fumi Falano, brought forward the bail application and the court decided on the 14th of June for the hearing of the bail application. Olumide reports.
If you are sick, you go to the hospital. It's that simple. Ebuka Obi and your Zion bees, say to go. I don't feel do anything. Not the people now they threaten.
Nigerian blogger with the name Ijele returns to court after being charged with cyberbullying by evangelist Ebuka Obi. The prosecuting team said the defendants did not show any form of remorse and they hope justice will be served.
It is an unbecoming character. Yeah, thank you.
Remove your mic so that you can follow him. Remove your mic.
The matter is all about the argument on the bail application, which the argument was went on well, and the matter was adjourned to Friday for ruling on the bail application. The expectation is that we are very, very hopeful he will be convicted and it will serve as a deterrent to others.
After the date for the ruling of the application for bail was given by the judge, Justice Aluko Akintayo, the defendant, on his way out of court, allegedly attacked one of the lawyers representing the prosecuting team, which caused another uproar.
In the course of the matter, after the argument, while the defendant was on his way out of the court, he attacked the prosecutor. And in view of that, the court has to call him back, and a bench ruling was given on that, warning him to desist from further action. And it goes a long way to support our case, to actually show that what we are not just alleging, what we are saying is true.
Mr. Chizorom Ofuegbo was first arraigned at the Federal High Court in Lagos. Then the court took his pleas on the 20th of May 2024, when the charge sheet was first read to him. The prosecuting team says none of these issues have smeared the image of the church and the aim is to send a warning to others who may likely want to choose that path. Olumide Adeyemi, TVC News.